बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अगस्त 11, 2024 के अखबार में। सादिक पब्लिक स्कूल की जॉब है करियर। एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस: टीचर्स इस्लामियत, इंग्लिश, इकोनॉमिक्स, अकाउंटिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, जनरल साइंस, म्यूज़िक, MA/MSc/BA/MPhil/MS in relevant subject O/A level. Teaching experience in a reputed educational institution would be preferred. Proficiency in spoken and written English. A competitive salary package negotiable based on qualifications and experience. 3-year contract in the first instance with 1-year probationary period. Duly filled in application form is available on our website in careers menu, along with attested copies of testimonial/certificate, CNIC, 1 recent passport size photograph, and a demand draft of ₹500 as non-refundable processing fee in favor of the principal. Sadik Public School should arrive by post or by courier service at the latest by 26th August 2024. Further details, job description and application form are available on our website www.sadikpublicschool.com. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview. Candidates called for an interview will not be entitled to TA/DA. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है यूएई की। यूएई बेस्ड कंपनीज लुकिंग टू इंडक्ट टैलेंटेड एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्रोफेशनल्स इन बिलो लिस्टेड कैटेगरीज। सीरियल नंबर 1 पोजीशन QHSE ऑफिसर। क्वालिफिकेशन मिनिमम ग्रेजुएशन विद इंटरनेशनल QHSE certifications. NEBOSH or IOSH or OSHA must be proficient in MS Excel and ERP. Experience QHSE and audits handling 6 to 8 years, age up to 35 years. Number 2, production supervisors, bachelors and above preferably. Industrial must be proficient in MS Excel and ERP. Manufacturing and production 6 to 8 years up to 35 years. Interested must email their CVs with fresh photograph at jobrequired0902@gmail.com. job required 0902@gmail.com. Apply before 18th of August 2024. CVs without fresh picture will not be entertained. Support industries and technologies job opportunity. SI Tech is a business conglomerate with the portfolio spans of steel, petroleum, machine tools, large-scale manufacturing and chemical sectors. We are looking for proactive and ambitious professionals to fill the following positions at our entity based in Islamabad. चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर, ये की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। रिक्वायरमेंट्स बता देती हूँ मैं। पोजीशंस excellent leadership, communication and analytical skills. Monitor market trends and competitor activities. Master's degree in marketing, business administration or any relevant degree. Proven track record in technology marketing, preferably with a technology transfer office, research institution or related industry. Minimum of 15 years of experience in marketing with at least 5 years in a lead role. चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ मैनेज बजटिंग, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। रिक्वायरमेंट्स बता देती हूँ मैं। रिक्वायरमेंट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग एंड कॉरपोरेट फाइनेंस नॉलेज, प्रोवन ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड इन फाइनेंशियल रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड कंप्लाइंस। possess excellent leadership, communication and strategic thinking skills. Ability to collaborate with executive teams and stakeholders to align financial goals with overall business strategy. CA/ACCA qualified plus articleship with any Big 4 audit firms. 10 to 12 years of relevant work experience with 5 years in a lead role. Share resume at apply@scitech.com.pk mentioning position applied for in the subject line. अच्छा जी, सीबा टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज की जॉब है. सीबा टेस्टिंग services invites applications from eligible and experienced candidates / law professional / officer with ample knowledge and legal expertise in law related subjects and area of litigations. Law officer qualification LLB/LLM from a HEC recognized university or degree in a law from a reputed foreign degree. Experience at least 5 years of post qualification experience as a practicing lawyer, preferably with corporate firms. Must be enrolled as an advocate with bar council. Skills: strong analytical and research skills, legal drafting and presentation skills, excellent written and oral communication skills, interpersonal skills. Guidelines to apply: interested candidates may submit an online application at apply.sts.net.pk. Age: maximum age limit is 35 years. Last date to apply 23rd August 2024. After submission of the online application, candidates may download the system generated challan of ₹2000 and deposit in it any branch of ABL Bank Limited. This challan is not refundable. Candidates must upload CNIC front and back side, domicile, PRC/Form D, one recent photograph and all academic documents or any certification and license required on the portal when applying online. Candidate having postgraduate qualification in law / or familiarity with authorities of law / rules / law acts will be preferred. Only qualified candidates shall be called for a test and interview by the SIBA testing service. Test and interview date, time and venue shall be intimated through online call letters, SMS and the website of SIBA testing service. No online application shall be entertained after the last date of submission of the online application. Incomplete applications shall not be entertained. Providing fictitious, exaggerated or misleading information shall result in rejection of applications at any stage. No TA/DA will be given for the test/interview. Note: SIBA testing services reserves the right to accept or reject any or all applications/offers/submissions presented in response to the present advertisement without assigning any reason thereof. Please feel free to contact us sts@iba-suk.edu.pk. हेल्पलाइन कॉल सेंटर 07156442000 से लेकर 06 तक, 07156442000 से लेकर 26 तक. SIBA टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज, सक्खर IBA यूनिवर्सिटी, निसार अहमद सिद्दीकी रोड, सक्खर. फ़ोन नंबर 0715644200006, 07156442000 से लेकर 06 तक. अच्छा जी, ये सिंध इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज की जॉब है. CBEC SIUT पाकिस्तान सेंटर ऑफ बायोमेडिकल एथिक्स एंड कल्चर. Academic programs in bioethics commencing January 2025. Call for applications: Masters in Bioethics MBE class of 2026, Postgraduate Diploma in Biomedical Ethics PGD class of 2025, Masters in Bioethics MBE 2-year degree program requiring coursework and thesis for 4 required on-campus modules 7 to 14 days each in first year of program. Applicants must have a degree in a primary field such as a healthcare related discipline, biomedical sciences, social sciences, law, education, etc. Preference will be given to mid-career level professionals from academic/teaching institutions. Postgraduate Diploma in Biomedical Ethics (PGD), 1-year diploma program requiring coursework and preparation of a bioethics teaching project. 4 required on-campus modules, 7 to 14 days each, with mandatory distance learning components. Applicants must be professionals in fields related to healthcare such as doctors, nurses, administrators, researchers, etc. Preference will be given to mid-career level professionals with teaching responsibilities. CBEC SIUT doesn't charge any tuition fee from students selected into the PGD and MBE programs. Extended deadline for receiving application August 29, 2024. Kindly note that you can apply for only one program. For more information and to access application forms, visit www.siut.org/bioethics. www.siut.org/bioethics. Center of Biomedical Ethics and Culture, SIUT. 7th floor, Suleiman Daud Transplant Tower, Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation, Karachi 74200, Pakistan. Phone number 922199216957, 922199216957. Email cbec.admission@siut.edu.pk, cbec.admission@siut.edu.pk. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हब. A petrochemical plant located in Hub, Balochistan required the following staff for upcoming projects at the plant. Head of department mechanical/process should have 20 years of experience in plant maintenance, rotary. Number of positions 2. Senior deputy manager mechanical should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance, rotary. Number of positions 2. Senior deputy manager molding process/maintenance should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance. Number of positions 3. Senior deputy manager E&I/powerhouse should have 15 years of experience in plant maintenance. Number of positions 2. Senior engineer chemicals/mechanical/E&I/powerhouse should have 5 to 7 years of experience in relevant fields. Number of positions 10. Fresh engineer chemical/mechanical/E&I/powerhouse. Number of positions 10. Eligible candidates may apply at careers@pslpet.com. Note, kindly mention the job title in the subject line. अच्छा जी, ये पाकिस्तान पेट्रोलियम लिमिटेड की जॉब है, जनरल मैनेजर प्रोडक्शन/असिस्ट ऑपरेशंस. ठीक है जी. अच्छा, ये जॉब है. क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन पेट्रोलियम, मैकेनिकल, केमिकल और रिलेटेड engineering discipline. The candidate must have at least 20 years of experience in the oil and gas industry, including minimum 15 years in production and engineering roles, with at least 8 years in management positions. Job responsibility: this position directly reports to the COO and be fully accountable to oversee both operated and partner operated assets, ensuring alignment with the company's vision and mission. Furthermore, the job role will be responsible to develop and implement strategies for efficient, effective and safe operations. ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. दूसरी पोस्ट है मैनेजर/सीनियर मैनेजर, ड्रिलिंग एंड completions engineering. Qualification and experience: bachelor's or master's degree in petroleum or mechanical engineering with at least 18 years of experience in drilling and interventions operations, preferably 5 years in a managerial role, leading drilling and completions engineering teams. Exposure to organizational leadership in a reputable E&P or service company would be preferred. Job responsibility: this position reports to head of development and requires coordination with exploration and other departments. Job responsibilities include जनरल वेमेन आर एनकरेज्ड टू, आप लोग इसका जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। जनरल women are encouraged to apply since these are regular positions. Candidates will be screened for continuity and retirement. Age the cut-off date for calculating required experience will be the last date of application submission. Interested candidates may visit our website for details and apply online at https://www.ppl.com.pk/human-resource/vacancies latest by August 26, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interviews. Disclaimer: in case suitable candidates are not available, the positions will remain vacant. अच्छा जी, एक और पोस्ट है, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन पेट्रोलियम इंडस्ट्री। कराची बेस्ड petroleum refining unit is seeking suitable candidates for the following positions. The prospective candidates are expected to be dynamic, highly motivated, result oriented and have a proven track record of integrity with a vision to deliver in a challenging work environment meeting the following criteria: serial number, name of post, manager HR, qualification MS/MBA/MP in human resource management. Additionally, having a certification in HR will be given preference. Required experience: 15 to 20 years of relevant experience, proven work experience as an HR manager or in a similar senior management role. Develop and implement HR strategies and initiatives aligned with the overall business strategy. ये आप लोग रिक्वायर्ड एक्सपीरियंस आप लोग ये सब देख लीजिएगा। नंबर 2, लीड इंजीनियर BE/BS इन केमिकल फ्रॉम एनी रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, 10 to 15 years of relevant experience of operating refinery units स्पेशली CDU, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा रिक्वायर्ड एक्सपीरियंस का। नंबर 3, इंजीनियर BE/BS इन केमिकल फ्रॉम एनी रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, 1 to 3 years of relevant experience. 4th पोजीशन है लीगल रिसर्च इंजीनियर PhD in chemical engineering, 12 years of experience in research project consultancy role with experience in feasibility studies. Aspen HICs, ये पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ है, मुझे नहीं मालूम, ठीक है, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। नंबर 5, केमिस्ट MSc/BS petroleum/chemistry from any recognized university, 13 years of relevant experience in conducting control testing of petroleum products as per ASTM, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। 5 है फाइनेंस एग्जीक्यूटिव CA finalist/ACCA qualified, minimum 5 years of relevant experience from MNCs and articles completed from Big 4 companies. 7, accounts assistant BPA honors from any recognized university, 2 to 5 years of experience, petty cash handling, sales tax, income tax, MS office bookkeeping, fixed assets. 8, पोजीशन है सुपरवाइज़र की DAE केमिकल फ्रॉम एनी रिकग्नाइज्ड बोर्ड ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, मिनिमम 13 years of relevant experience in the same role. और नंबर 9, ऑपरेटर DAE केमिकल फ्रॉम एनी recognized board of technical education, 1 to 2 years of relevant experience in operating and controlling refinery unit like distillation, ठीक है जी। आप लोग इसका एक्सपीरियंस का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, सुपरवाइज़र की नहीं, सॉरी, ऑपरेटर की, हाँ जी। टेक्नीशियन DAE 10th post DAE in instrumentation, electrical, mechanical, rotary, stationary, rigger, pipe, fabricator, pipe fitter, multi-welder, minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. Applicants with experience in the oil and gas sector will be given preference. 11 post है firefighter DAE in chemical/intermediate with firefighting certificate, 2 to 3 years of relevant experience dealing with firefighting activities, ensuring proper maintenance of fire detection and firefighting equipment. 12 supervisor diploma in hotel management or bachelor's degree in any subject, from a recognized university with relevant certification, 7 to 10 years of experience in running a guest house, preferably with management or hotel management. Note: all candidates holding Pakistani nationality are eligible to apply. The selected individuals will be offered competitive compensation package. Concealment of information in any respect will disqualify the candidate from consideration/appointment at any stage. Only the most suitable candidates will be shortlisted for test/interview, and TA/TA is not admissible in this regard. Candidates dismissed/terminated from any organization or having criminal record shall not be eligible. Any information found bogus at any stage during induction or later on in service will result in termination of employment. Thereof, how to apply: candidates fulfilling the above mentioned criteria/requirements can send their updated CV at career@eprf.com.pk by mentioning post name in subject line within 15 days of publication of एडवर्टाइजमेंट। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।